Wondered what the stars have in store for you in Russian. Horoscopes and local newspapers are fantastic learning resource. They are packed with future tense, advice vocabulary, and practical life situations. Today we are reading authentic horoscope predictions for two zodiac signs, Aries and Taurus. By the end of this video you will learn how to make predictions in Russian, how to give soft advice, and how to talk about future plans. Let's read the text line by line. The first sign is Овен, it's Aries. На этой неделе звезды советуют вам не спорить с начальством. This week, the stars advise you not to argue with management, даже если оно неправо. Even if it's wrong, пятница принесет неожиданные траты. Friday will bring unexpected expenses. Лучше отложите крупные покупки. It would be better postpone major purchases. Now the second sign is Телец. It's a Taurus. Возможно, встреча со старым знакомым. A meeting with an old acquaintance is possible, который попросит денег в долг, who will ask to borrow money. Решать вам, но интуиция подскажет правильный ответ. It's up to you, but intuition will tell you the right answer. Look at how much action and prediction is squeezed into just a few short lines. Let's break it down with vocabulary and grammar mechanics. Let's unpack the key vocabulary first. These are high-yield words you will hear constantly in everyday conversations. The first is начальство. This is a collective noun for management, bosses, or high-ups. Notice that in Russian, начальство is a neutral singular, which is why the text say даже если оно неправо, even if it's wrong. The second is неожиданные траты. Траты means expenses or spending. Неожиданные means unexpected. Together, it's a very common phrase for sudden financial surprises. The third is крупные покупки. Крупный literally means large scale or major. So крупные покупки are big purchases like a car, a new phone, or home appliances. The fourth is просить денег в долг. This is the authentic way to say to ask to borrow money. The phrase в долг means on credit or as a loan. Now let's look at the grammar. Horoscopes are the best way to master the simple future tense, or in Russian it's будущее простое, using the perfective verbs. Look at the verb принесёт. It will bring from принести, and подскажет, it will suggest or tell, from подсказать, and попросит, he will ask, from попросить, infinitive form. Because these are perfective verbs, putting them into the present style endings automatically creates the future tense. You are stating a completed future event. To give advice, the text uses two smart patterns. Звезды советуют plus infinitive. Советуют не спорить, advise not to argue. Лучше plus imperative. Лучше отложите, you'd better postpone. Let's test your reading comprehension. I have two questions for you based on our newspaper horoscope. Try to answer them out loud. Question 1. Что советуют Овну? What do they advise Aries to do? The answer is the stars advise Aries not to argue with your boss and to postpone major purchases because of the unexpected expenses. Question 2. Какое событие ждет Тельца? What event awaits Taurus? Right, the answer is Taurus might meet an old acquaintance who will ask to borrow money. How did you do? Did you spot all the details? Reading horoscope in Russian is a great, low-stress way to practice real grammar patterns like future predictions and model advice without getting overwhelmed by heavy literature. If you want to practice this text further, check out this week pattern pack. I've prepared a full PDF worksheet containing an expanded vocabulary list, a grammar drill on perfective future verbs, and an audio practice track where I read horoscopes for all 12 zodiac signs in Russian. Link in the description box right below this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments what is your zodiac sign in Russian. See you next time. Пока.